I love muffins, and pistachio muffins are one of my top 3 favorites. I'm Tess, and come join me as I make some easy and delicious homemade pistachio muffins. There are a couple secret ingredients in these pistachio muffins. The first is a box of yellow cake mix, and I'm using Duncan Hines. The second is a box of pistachio instant pudding and pie filling, and I'm using a generic brand. In a large bowl, I'm sifting the cake mix simply because it looks a bit lumpy, and then adding in the pistachio pudding mix and mixing all together. In a separate bowl, I'm mixing the wet ingredients. I have 4 eggs that I'm whisking and adding in some sour cream, vegetable oil, water, and a little almond extract, giving everything a good mix. This is optional, but I'm adding in some green food coloring. Another good mix to combine, and then I'm adding my wet ingredients to my dry ingredients. Mixing everything together just to combine. I don't want to overmix. Right before I'm done, I'm folding in about a 1/4 cup of crushed pistachio nuts. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I lined my muffin pan with cups and I'm filling them about 3/4 of the way full. I like a bit of crunch on the top, so I'm combining some crushed pistachio nuts and some turbinado or raw sugar. This sugar comes from the first pressing of the sugar cane and has a slight molasses flavor. This sugar will give you that sugary crunchy crust on top of muffins, cookies, and baked goods because it does not dissolve into the batter. I'm drizzling a little over the top, but you can add as much as you like. Baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick stuck in the center comes out clean. Remove from the oven and let slightly cool and then transfer the muffins to a wire rack to finish cooling. If you love pistachio muffins as much as I do, this is a recipe for you. These muffins are great any time of the day. This recipe made 18 nice-sized muffins. You can make these ahead of time and freeze. The texture is nice and moist, and the pistachio flavor is abundant. These pistachio muffins will not disappoint. I hope you give these homemade pistachio muffins a try and enjoy. If you like this recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!